Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Dundee and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will affect Hoffman Estates and Inverness around 5:15 p.m. Naumburg and Palatine around 5:20 p.m. Rolling Meadows and Medina around 5:25 p.m. Elk Grove Village and Itasca around 5:30 p.m. Bensonville and Des Plaines around 5:35 p.m. O'Hare Airport around 5:40 p.m. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.